Okay, welcome guys. Okay, today I'm going to show you the first method on how to use the Tokyo Trader strategy for swing. Okay, for swing trading. Okay, let me simulate how the indicator works. Okay, let me speed it up. So first, it will appear the support and resistance indicator. We are looking for number 3 or 4. It is a strong support and resistance. And as you can see, this is how it behaves. Okay, it will try to detect where are the area of a strong support resistance, so it will keep on moving. Okay, so once it appears, you shouldn't be too excited to enter a buy or sell order. Okay, so we want it to to stay put. Okay, so what we are looking for next will be the buy entry arrow. Okay, that will be a confirmation. Okay, so now you also see how does the arrow behave. Okay, it will so-called appear and it doesn't appear. So some people say that it is a repaint indicator. But as you can see, the candlestick also behave in the same manner. When the trading session is still on for that particular time frame, it will keep on moving. Okay, so indicator behave in that way. So now we have the strong support and resistance number 3 or number 4 followed by an arrow. So this will alert us. But this will not be an entry. Okay, so what we are going to wait is we're going to wait for the same scenario. Another support and resistance with an arrow. Okay, so now there's one support, but we will wait because as you know, this support can actually move. Okay, can move. So if it were to move lower, then there is no setup. Okay, let me just pause this for a while. So as you can see over here, there's a strong support and resistance with these two.
Danger.
The round number 4, number 3 with an arrow. So now we have waited for another support and resistance. There is an arrow telling us to do a buy. So and it is above the cloud. So next what we're going to do is we need to see the structure. So what is the structure telling us? It is high getting higher. So there is a good probability of it going further up. Okay, so let me continue. So as you can see, the price starts to goes up. So for taking profit, like what I've mentioned, you can follow your trading plan. You can, for this trading strategy, you can actually manage to get 100, 200 to 300 pips. But at the same time, what you can do is you can stay or maintain your position, your long position, until it close below the one standard deviation. Okay, or this dotted line. Okay, so now we already have seen how the long position are. Okay, a support and arrow followed by the second one, support and arrow above the cloud, and check the structure that is high getting higher. Okay, so now we are going to look for a sell setup. Okay, so like what I've mentioned, this is at H4 time frame, so we are taking our time in trading so that you can have a balanced life for people who are busy, but yet you want to participate in the spot trading arena. So you have seen that the resistance have shift over here. So now we are waiting for an arrow. Okay, an arrow to appear, stating that this is a confirmed resistance. So we wait. Okay, so there is a strong resistance over here. So now what we are waiting, same scenario, but it is at below the cloud. Okay, so now we wait. Okay, so I hope you guys can see how does the indicator behave. Okay, so you don't need to rush the trade. So now it's detecting a support over here. Okay, so as we can see, this movement is potentially is a retracement movement. Okay, retracement movement. So now there is a resistance. So we are waiting for an arrow to appear. Okay, an arrow to appear. Okay, you can see the arrow blinks. Okay, so now I pause over here. We have a strong resistance of number 3 of number 4 with an arrow, and the price starts to goes down, and we are waiting for another resistance followed by an arrow. So this will be our sell entry, and we need to check the structure. So now we are selling. So when we want to sell, we check the structure. So it's showing us low getting lower. So there is a good probability for us to do a sell. Okay, so let me just continue. Okay, once you have execute a sell, same goes. You can follow your risk reward money management. You can take about for gold, especially 100, 200 to 300 pips, and or you can wait for the price to close above the standard one deviation. Okay, so now you can just keep on staying and staying. So while detecting this movement for every 4 hours, no, it will happens in 1 or 2 days. So if you are free, you can actually scalp the market. While your swing trade are still going on. So what are you going to do when you open the chart? Okay, there is no H4 setup. You open, you see the gold market. Okay, there is a price still in between the deviation 1 and 2. So you go to lower time frame. What you do is you look for a sell setup, sell setup, sell setup. Okay, so this is at H4. Okay, this is a safe entry setup. Okay, for an aggressive setup. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, I will zoom in here. I will zoom in. Okay, for an aggressive setup, what we are looking for is the very earliest form of entry. You will see that this support either number 4, number 3. Okay, keep on moving down. Okay, moving down, and suddenly there is a buy alert. So usually we ignore this. Okay, for the safe entry. There. So now there is a buy entry. So aggressive trader will enter a buy after this arrow appear with the strong support resistance. What we are looking for, the candlestick to protrude out. So that will be another condition. So the condition is a strong support resistance followed by an arrow, and the candlestick over here, it must protrude out. So what we do is we just enter buy, and then the price starts to go up, and we wait for the second safer entry, which is the another support followed by the arrow. So this is the much safer entry. This will be an aggressive entry. As you can see over here, there is a resistance, strong resistance followed by an arrow. So what do you see over here? The wick protrude out, okay, from the Bollinger Band. Okay, so this is also can consider as the price went out of the Bollinger Band followed by an arrow. So if you were to enter this, it would be an aggressive entry. Okay, aggressive entry is that first indication followed by candlestick protrude out of the Bollinger Band, and this is the safer entry. Okay, I hope this short video is helpful for you guys. Okay, next, what I will share will be to you guys is the scalping strategy used by the Japanese as well. So it will be another form of trading. So I will send out to you guys for free as well. So keep a lookout. And for those who have any question about this strategy, do let me know so that I can assist you on this. Okay, once again, thank you guys for your support, and I wish you the best.